Hi everyone, I'm so glad you're here. Let's go shopping at Walmart. Look at how pretty this is. It lights up. It's an ornament with a beautiful cardinal on it, and it's only $1.98. Love that. And look at this one. Let it snow in the mug. So cute. Love that. These are only $1.98. This little Noel mailbox with the snowman on it. So adorable. Also $1.98. This Merry Christmas wooden sign, so cute. Look at these Santa suits. Everything is only $1.98 here. Love this Santa. He's holding a tree. Look at that. So adorable. Then we've got these peppermint trees. They look good enough to eat, but they're an ornament. And you've got this little red wagon that says Merry Christmas with the presents and the tree in it. And this nutcracker, so adorable. Down here we've got this snowman who's laying down, this lantern, and it also lights up. Look at that. These are so cool. Love these. With the this one's not lighting up, but they do light up. Look at this mouse. Oh my goodness. So cute. This reindeer barn, gingerbread lane. This is a wooden sign. So pretty. The Santa mailbox, and we've got a bell up here. We've got this adorable Merry Christmas wagon with the gingerbread. Love those. Then we've got these acorns, snow-covered acorns. This, let's see, does this light up? This one doesn't look like it lights up. Wait, you know what though? It does. That one was broken, so this one does light up. They've got a lot of light up ornaments this year for only $1.98. Look at this one. It is lit up. Look how pretty that it is. So shimmery. That is gorgeous. We've got some reindeer antlers and this guy. Super cute. Love that hat and the scarf. Then these cardinals. They have a Santa hat on them with the scarves on. Could not be cuter. This mouse, look at these. These are only $1.98. They are just so cute. This Happy Holidays pillow. It's embroidered. This is so adorable. The gnomes. We're seeing a lot of gnomes this year. More gnomes. Look at these. These little red ones with the cute hats. They're only $1.98. And the little berries on them. Love, love, love those. These, you see these a lot, and they're just so cute. The red trucks with the trees in the back. And then, let's see, these are different colors, and you get 4 of them. So they end up being just $2 each because they're $7.98 for 4 of them. So that's a really good deal because they look very well made. Love these. Oh my goodness. They are mugs and they fit in this wire stacking that you can put them in. Love these. The gingerbread, the snowman. They are so cute. And here we go. Cookies for Santa. This is a plate with a place for the reindeer food and a place to put the milk for Santa. And then over here we've got a Santa plate for the cookies and then the milk for Santa. Look at these cute little cookie cutters. And then you've got these cookie cutters here, the snowmen, the gingerbread men and women. Super adorable. This is a stacked tree. Okay, so you can make a stacked tree with this. That's really neat. And we've got these nutcracker ice cube trays, or you could make chocolates out of them. Over here, we've got different boxes and this 3-piece stacking tower. That's really cute. Love that. These little bags are only 38 cents for treat sacks. Then over down here, we've got these round tins that already have the bow on them for $2.58. Then we've got these other round tins in different styles. Merry Christmas, the snowflake. Look at these. Oh my goodness. These you can make. So you use what they've got. This one is a heart and you could put a handprint in there or a dog's paw to make those. And then this is another one. It's in the shape of an ornament. It's got everything you need to make it. And there you got the paw print. So I love those. Now, I've never seen these before. They are lighting up, and I guess you push on the bottom to have them light up, and that you drink out of them. I've never seen those before. They're only $2.28. Look at these. So you decorate your door with these. They're made out of felt, and you put this Santa face on your door. That's really adorable. This one is a deer with a Santa hat. Love that one. Then you've got this balloon garland that says ho ho ho. So cute. And then a snowflake. Let's see, what is this? These are balloons. Okay. So to make like a balloon garland, an arch. This is a balloon for $1.98. That's really cute. You've got, oh, look at these. I love these. You put them, those are so cute. They're 3 air-filled balloon headbands for only $1.68. Look at this, Merry Christmas. That's only $1.28. Love these. What do we have here? This one says Merry Christmas banner. Okay. These are cute. And over here we've got these adorable trees and these cute Merry Christmas. These are a really good deal, these napkins. More cups. They're very festive looking. Then you've got these are only $1.28. They're little treat cups. Look at how cute those are for anything you would like to put in there. Ice cream, nuts, pudding. We've got some table covers. These are a good deal for 98 cents. Penguins, Santa. Super adorable. Look at these cute cups with the lids and the straws already in them. Light up sippy cups. Oh, they light up. Okay. That's really unique. Then we've got this snowman and let's see, having trouble here. Super adorable. Reindeer. These sippy cups. Here we have more table covers and lots of festive tableware to choose from. Love all of these, super cute. I hope you've had a good time. If you have, hope to see you again next time. Until then, see you again real soon.